In this video, I'm performing partial fraction decomposition with repeated linear terms using the Heaviside method. So for this example, taking x squared plus 3x plus 2 over x minus 1 cubed. The first step is to assume the partial fraction form using the table. So I have to take the x minus 1 cubed and all of its lower powers. So this gives me a over x minus 1 plus b over x minus 1 squared plus c over x minus 1 cubed. The next step is to determine the value of c using the cover-up method. So c relates to the highest power in the denominator. So to do this, I take that left-hand side expression, x squared plus 3x plus 2 over x minus 1 cubed, and I have to cover up the factor relating to the c, the x minus 1. And I need to evaluate this where x minus 1 is equal to 0. So substituting x is equal to 1. And this gives me a value of 6. Therefore, c is equal to 6. So to find the values of a and b, I need to use differentiation. So to find the next power down from the highest power, I take that left-hand side expression, the x squared plus 3x plus 2 over the x minus 1 cubed, and I cover up the factor relating to the b, the x minus 1. So I differentiate this once. Then I evaluate where x minus 1 is equal to 0, so substituting x is equal to 1. So the derivative of x squared plus 3x plus 2 is 2x plus 3, and I evaluate this at x is equal to 1, which gives me 5. Therefore, b is equal to 5. So to find a, so the power is 2 less than the highest power of the x minus 1. This means I need to take 1 over 2 factorial. So I take that left-hand side expression, so I cover up the x minus 1 terms in the denominator, but this time taking the second derivative. And again, I evaluate this at x minus 1 equals 0, which means x is equal to 1. So this gives me 2 over 2 times 1, which is equal to 1. Therefore, a is equal to 1. Having found the values of a, b, and c, I substitute these back into my assumed partial fraction form, and this gives me that x cubed plus 3x plus 2 over x minus 1 cubed is equal to 1 over x minus 1 plus 5 over x minus 1 squared plus 6 over x minus 1 cubed.